so excited for this. Here are my top 20 Amazon products for the month of February. These are the products that you love most, both here on YouTube and on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Oh, and there's a lot of coupons and limited time deals going on right now, so I'll be sure to share those with you. This right here, oh, I love this. I believe that 3 come in a pack. It's called a Scridget tool. You can see here there's a flat end here which you can scrape. You could use it on pots and pans, and then there's another little curved end right here to get in all those nooks and crannies. I've already used this twice just today. This is a product that you buy, you're going to use every single day, trust me. I just took out the garbage and I always clean the inside of the bin because crumbs get in there and things get stuck with 4 kids, 6 people in this house, and so I was able to scrape some stuff that was like mysterious. And in fact, I actually just used it on my camera to put my microphone on top because I can't get my nail in there. So this thing comes in handy in so many different places, not just for cleaning, but everywhere. I love it so much, and so did you. If you do end up purchasing this Scridget tool, you will not regret it, trust me. In our number 19 spot, bam, baby, Utopia. I believe that's how you say that. I have purchased many other products from them because they do just such a marvelous job. But this plastic bag dispenser, I love the grippy bottom right here. Currently, I'm using this in my upstairs bathroom. But the plastic bags, you can load them up. It's spring loaded, see? That way you're not having to dig your hand way down in there. You can fit so many in here. I love that it's vertical, so you're accessing more space-saving opportunities. I love the color on this. Yes. Number 18, this wall-mounted clothes drying rack. I use this almost every single day because I run a load of wash with 6 people every single day, whether it's bedding and workout gear and sports gear and everyday clothes and pajamas, and well, you get the deal. But certain things I do not want to put in the dryer because 1, I don't want them shrunk, and 2, I don't want them exposed to that much heat, especially like dance and swimsuits and delicate items. I love that this saves so much space in my laundry room. All I have to do is fold out the sides and then pull out the laundry drying rack. I used to have a rack that you have to pop up and store and put things on, or I would just hang things randomly in my laundry room, but not anymore. It is so much fun to use. I actually purchased this, I think, before Christmas, and I am still loving it several months later. I am so excited to use this clothes drying rack in the summertime with swimsuits and towels that just need to be hung up to dry. Yes. Number 17, this feminine product organizer. In fact, well, I did just use this. I love this. Rather than having tampon boxes and pad boxes in my drawers or strung out in my bathroom, this keeps everything nice and organized and concealed. I love using it. I love organizing it. I love refilling it. It just looks so chic. You wouldn't know what's inside of this if you were to open up your cabinet, but you and I would know. When I first showed this product, I loved it so much, and I didn't know if you guys would as well, and you have. Number 16, this shoe organizer. I love this so much. You guys love this so much. In fact, if I had more square footage, I would actually purchase 2 of these because of how nicely it stores and organizes my shoes. In fact, you wouldn't necessarily know that it's a shoe organizer. It keeps all the lines clean and organized. You can find what you need. Let me know in that comments box below if you can relate to this one. Shoes like strung out everywhere, very visible, chaotic to the eye. It just makes a space look messier than it actually is. But thanks to the shoe organizer, which we use every single day, all 4 seasons here in Minnesota, like everything just looks good. I love my mudroom now because of this shoe organizer. Because you know, mudrooms can get chaotic with backpacks and clothes and kids running here, there, and everywhere, and papers and shoes, and well, at least I've contained the shoe situation. This is an Amazon splurge that I would repurchase over and over and over again because it is that good. In fact, I believe that I bought this last summer and I have had 0 issues with it thus far. Number 15, woo-wee, this mean green cleaner. This is something that I purchased over and over again. I have run out. I actually have purchased a big thing of this so that I can just refill this. I use this all over my house, inside my sink, inside my toilet, even on my paint on my walls, flat paint on my walls, which is absolutely terrible if you have living, breathing human beings because it's terrible. Flat paint. Big thumbs down, big thumbs down. This is heavy duty, but it does not damage any surface, at least in my experience. I've never had any issues. You can use it inside your oven, your microwave, your I mean, literally, I use this everywhere. Clothing, a clothing stain, like just carry this around in your pocket all day, every day, and you will just have a blast. And it's a very mild scent. So if you love more of an all natural cleaner, this is definitely worth it. it. In our number 14 spot are these #1 best-selling pillow protectors. I have loved them so much. I have them for every one of my kids, my bedroom, in my house. Yes, I still wash my pillows every 3 to 4 months or so. However, when I drool at night, now it's no longer sleeping into my pillow. This is one of those household products that I say to myself, Andrea Jean, why did you not have pillow protectors on your pillows earlier? I mean, why has it taken you so many years to like do this? My reason and rationale for this is I never grew up with pillow protectors other than a pillowcase, which doesn't really protect your pillow. But no excuses anymore. My pillows are now protected. And these are such a great deal on Amazon. And right now, currently, there's an additional coupon. In fact, over 9,000 of these have been purchased in the past month, and there are over 35,000 ratings on these pillow protectors. Number 13, the silicone dish drying mat. My entire family is loving this. In fact, my husband loves it more than any of us because he's been on dish duty lately while I have been on laundry duty. But you can easily fold this up. You can throw this in your dishwasher to clean and sanitize it. It has nice grooves on it where water can run off and you can just dump it back in your sink. If you're trying to dry water bottles or cups or bowls, basically anything. It's got a little loop here if you wanted to hang this, but when we're not using this, we just roll it up nice and tight. Do, 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 do. Well, hello, and store it in my kitchen drawer. Not only can you dry dishes on this, you can put hot stuff on here, hot things in your microwave. Maybe you warmed up some soup, hot pans. You could put curling irons on here, flat irons on here to use it in your bathroom. The possibilities for this Amazon goodie are endless. This does come in different size options. I did opt for the large, which I'm very satisfied with. In our number 12 spot is this collapsible laundry basket, and I just used it today in my laundry room. I love this because when you collapse it, it can save so much space, yet I can put an entire load of laundry in one of these laundry baskets. They do come in multiple color options, so pick the color that sparks your fancy. Over 10,000 of these collapsible laundry baskets have been purchased within the past month, and for good reason. I am very excited to use this in the summer. We can take it to the pool, we can take it to baseball, we can take it to camping, soccer, you name it. Collapse it, put it in your car, and pull it out when you need it, when you just need to haul a bunch of junk around. In our number 11 spot are these flour sack kitchen towels. This is an Amazon product that I purchase over and over again. Probably every couple of years I upgrade all of my kitchen towels because they get nasty with chocolate and strawberries and raspberries with kids, like, you know what I mean. They absorb water so nicely, like big puddles of water. Maybe somebody spilled their milk or juice or you name it. They're excellent at drying dishes. I don't know about you, but I have purchased kitchen towels in the past that look nice, but they don't actually dry anything. They just look fancy. The water just, runs right off them, but not these kitchen towels. Now, technically, you're not supposed to bleach these kitchen towels, but in full disclosure, I am full force bleaching. Especially with all the messes that we have in this house, it is a necessity. And with that being said, these kitchen towels hold up so nicely. Now, if you don't like the white, there are several other color options available, and currently, at the time of filming, these are on sale. And can you believe it? There are currently over 32,000 ratings on these kitchen towels. Woo! In our number 10 spot is this OXO wipes dispenser. We use wipes for 2 reasons in my house. I no longer have babies. My youngest is 4, almost 5 in July, actually. Oh my gosh, where's the time going? But we use this one in my bathroom. I actually want to buy more of these because they're that great. Did you see how that just opened? Like, you just push the top here and it opens up. You don't have to deal with digging for a wipe or the crinkling packaging if you're in the bathroom and you're using flushable wipes. Like, everybody knows what's going on when they hear that package crinkling in the bathroom. This is just very discreet. You just pull it out like this and you can do your business. I actually use wipes, baby wipes in our kitchen to wipe my kids' fingers and hands because, well, so many of my white kitchen towels got destroyed. And paper towel is not getting like Cheeto and raspberry fingers off very well. I love this. It keeps it nice and airtight. So if you don't use a ton of these on a regular basis, well, your wipes are gonna last longer because of the nice seal on them. And you can see how many are left right here. I mean, you could certainly open it up and like look in there and see, but if you're just doing a quick peruse of your bathrooms to see what needs refilling and restocking, you can see right from the outside. In our number 9 spot is this nano cloth for cleaning your stainless steel. If you prefer a more all-natural approach when it comes to cleaning, then this nano cloth is your best friend when it comes to stainless steel. All you have to do is get a little bit of water on it. A little will go a long way. You can use it on your stainless steel fridge, your stove, your microwave, your or dishwasher. I'm just trying to think of all the stainless steel in our house. You name it. And you don't have to worry about your stainless steel being damaged from certain chemical cleaners. There's no smells, all natural, and then I would go ahead and wash your nano towel just like you would any sort of microfiber towel. No bleach, no fabric softener, and medium to low heat. In our number 8 spot is this microwave splatter cover and steamer. Yes, 2 in 1, my friend. In fact, I pretty much never have to clean my microwave because we always use the splatter cover. Just wipe the inside of this out if anything splatters, rather than having to dig around in your microwave and get in all those nooks and crannies. And you can steam in this, so if you're reheating like some pizza or noodles, just things that tend to dry out, a casserole, a little bit easier, put a little water in here, and then watch the magic unfold inside of this, well, I don't know what you would call it. Encapsulation? I don't know. I love this. I love the handle on it. There are a couple different color options available. We are just, yes, we're happy. And I just checked because I wasn't certain. According to Amazon, this is dishwasher safe. Now, I've not put it in my dishwasher yet because I find it really easy just to wipe it down rather than taking up space in my dishwasher. But if maybe you had some red sauce that was really stuck in there that splattered all over inside of here, yeah, definitely put that in my dishwasher. In our number 7 spot are these number 1 best-selling glass food storage containers. This has made the drawer in my kitchen look so much more organized. And then when we're storing leftovers, it also looks really nice in my refrigerator. I had mismatched lids and lids that had cracked, and I just needed a revamp, and I am so happy with these. In fact, over 10,000 of these have been purchased within the past month. There are also over 16,000 ratings on these food storage containers. I also love the little latches on the side, so everything is on there nice and secure. They're easy to store, they're easy to clean. I am so happy with this purchase. And I just checked, there are different colors of latches, if you will. There's a purple, there's a green, there's a gray. I opted for the black, but I love them all. And right now, for a limited time, these are currently on sale. In our number 6 spot are these carafes, and I am so obsessed with these. Currently, I'm using these for my half and half creamer and my cashew milk, which I use every single day. You know, oftentimes when you use creamers or milk, you get that white pasty stuff from the cartons, and then it's in the bottom of your refrigerator and just looks gunky. Not anymore, now that I've switched over to these storage containers. You can write on the outside. They come with a chalk marker and chalk labels. You can easily wipe it off if you wanted to change things up. And I am so happy with this purchase. Not only is my refrigerator cleaner, it's more streamlined. It just looks better in my refrigerator. It is also wonderful if you are hosting something. I mean, if you're serving something in this beautiful, nice, affordable storage container as opposed to the plastic carton. I mean, you know what? At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. But you know what? I do like things that look beautiful. But not only is this beautiful, this is super functional. These will be so fun to use in the summertime when we set outside for lemonades, maybe some iced tea, maybe some iced coffee. I don't have to worry about them breaking or getting dropped with people moving around. In our number 5 spot is this Ariel laundry detergent. My friend, I got a big bag of this for under $14, I believe, at a recommendation from one of you on Instagram to help whiten your whites and your clothing in general. This is lasting me so long. And like I mentioned, I'm doing laundry every single day. I've always been a Tide gal because that's what I love. It works. It just, you know, I'm a ride or die Tide girl. But after I tried this Ariel soap, I don't know, like I'm loving it. I would repurchase this over and over again. It works. It smells wonderful. It's super economical, and it does what it needs to. In fact, over 7,000 of this laundry detergent have been purchased within the past month. I can't believe I've been living my whole adult life not knowing about this laundry detergent, but not anymore. In our number 4 spot are these crevice cleaning brushes. I love these particularly for cleaning toilets, and what I also love about them is they're effective. They do what they need to. You can spray it with a little cleaner or bleach or whatever you want to use, and then you can just throw them in your trash. Especially when it comes to cleaning your toilet with 2 little boys, like just pee in places that it doesn't need to be. I want something that I can throw away. Right now on Amazon, there's currently a 10% off coupon, and these are already at an affordable price point. Not only are these wonderful in your bathroom, but you can use them in your kitchen. Our kitchens have so many nooks and crannies, especially by the microwave, between the stove. Like, you just need something flat to get in there. These are your best friend. You know, you just need something flat to get in certain spaces. No more frustration, my friend. This has got you covered. In fact, 40 of of these brushes come in a pack, so they're gonna last you quite a long time. This next one, this is a goodie. Let's get it. Woo! I love this, and I wasn't sure, would you guys love this? And you do. In our number 3 spot is this Dawn Professional Cleaner. It's like Dawn Power Wash on steroids. Now, I buy a big pack of this because, you know, I want this on hand when I need it. You can use it to clean your oven, your microwave, your kitchen sink, a toilet, your bathroom sink, a bathtub, your outside grill. I'm pointing to my grill over here, but it's covered in snow right now. So we're not using it. But the summer grill, watch out. I got Dawn Professional. This isn't just for commercial kitchens and pros anymore. This is for you and I. And right now on Amazon, this is currently on sale. I have not tried this yet, but I would imagine this is pretty darn good at removing stains, not only on carpeting, but also on clothing. Ooh, I should include that in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. 50% less scrubbing. Heck to the yes, my friend. Cleaning smarter, not harder. In our number 2 spot, can you guess what it is? I mean, you could just check the description box in the comment section to see, because that's where I have everything linked. But it's this oven rack cleaner. My friend, I tell you, I put my oven racks in the bag that this came with and the solution. And the next day, my oven racks looked like brand new. I just needed some water and the grease just melted right off. For some of those hard spots, I did grab just a little sort of like Brillo pad, a steel wool pad, just to get in there, and it did the job. Like, this has worked better than anything that I have ever used to clean oven racks. I basically had to do nothing. Bag it, soak it, rinse it. Yes. I mean, I love cleaning made easy when you just gotta put some solution down and come back and let the rest do its job. Over 2,000 of these have been purchased within the past month, and right now, for a limited time, this oven rack cleaning kit is on sale. And in our number 1 spot, drum roll please, the product that you all love the most is, woo, this ceramic life coating. Again, this is another product that I have lived all of my adult life not knowing about. I love this. And in fact, over 30,000 of this product, that's so much, 30,000 of this product have been purchased within the past month. My favorite place to use this is on my stainless steel refrigerator. With 4 kids, there are a lot of sticky things and fingerprints, and like they go to the refrigerator, I swear, and just like rub their bodies all over them after they've eaten Cheetos and drenched themselves in honey or something. I don't know. Like, how does all that get on my refrigerator? But it does. This shines, seals, and protects longer than anything that I have used so far. The other place that I really like to use this is on my dishwasher, where again, a lot of fingerprints and sticky things like to make their way. This repels unwanted things on your surfaces, so you could pretty much use this anywhere in your house. I've seen someone use this on their washing machine and dryer. You know, a lot of lint likes to accumulate on there, and other things, maybe some soap, some detergent, some fabric softener. So not only does this product make less cleaning for you, but it's gonna protect your beloved items for longer, saving you money. If we're not friends on Instagram, make sure that you follow me at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially on Instagram stories, because every single day I share daily deals, coupons, discounts, sneak peeks, giveaways, and so much more. You can scan the QR code on screen here if you're watching from your TV or iPad, and it's going to take you to everything in this video. But we have got to keep all of this fun going, so click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.